The Academy for Career Education is a public, tuition-free charter high school that fuses the core academic classes with a highly technical CTE experience. With small class sizes for more one-on-one attention, ACE feels like a public school with all the benefits of a private school. Students earn college credits, industry-recognized certifications, and real-world career readiness training through their CTE programs. All freshmen start out in the 9th grade Industry Pathways program, which allows them to experience a multitude of industries. Students learn a wide variety of skills in this first-level course, such as the basics of measurement, power tool safety, woodworking, sheet metal fabrication, manual lathe turning, small engines, plumbing, electrical, and welding. The goal of this class is to learn shop safety and to get first-hand experience in the more advanced program industries. The Advanced Building Trades program takes place at an active construction job site and teaches students all aspects of residential construction. Students get hands-on, real-world experience as they work in teams to build a residential home. All students complete OSHA training prior to their first class and can eventually earn 21 college credits through TMCC's CTE College Credit Program. Students who choose the Advanced Machining and Manufacturing Technologies program through TMCC will work in a state-of-the-art machine shop at the William Pennington Applied Technology Center, just minutes away from ACE's main campus. They learn to set up and operate various machining tools to fabricate precision parts. The instructor prepares students for the safe use of highly technical power equipment. These students earn 2 TMCC certifications and a total of 35 college credits. The Architectural Design program provides students the opportunity to experience an architectural studio-like environment. Students will learn how to hand sketch their design ideas, draft construction drawings, and build accurately scaled models. Advanced levels will learn how to turn these designs into industry-recognized three-dimensional drafts using CAD and Revit software. Students in this program can earn a TMCC Architectural Design certification worth up to 36 credits. Working in conjunction with TMCC through a dual enrollment format, students in the Diesel Power Technology program learn to repair and maintain equipment in heavy and light-duty transportation. In order to earn a 37-credit Certificate of Achievement, students will cover a variety of topics, including general auto maintenance, brake systems, diesel engines, steering and suspension, automotive electricity, preventative maintenance, electronic fuel injection, and light-duty performance. When you've completed your high school education, ACE has a great ongoing relationship with TMCC, which offers a wide variety of training programs in fields that will lead you to a successful career. Whether you're looking to continue your education after high school or hope to enter the workforce right away, your TMCC credits and industry-recognized certifications will set you apart from entry-level competition. Call today to schedule a private tour of our main campus, visit our website, and follow us on social media.